Monster Truck Classics, Greenlight Collectibles, Kings of Crunch. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video here on Monster Truck Classics, and we are going to take a look at 4 trucks that I recently got in the mail by Grandpa's Diecast, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the first one over here in the Kings of Crunch series. We get series 11, and this is going to be WILDFOOT. Look at that 1993 Ford F-250 of WILDFOOT. On the right hand side there we see series 11, very nicely detailed, of WILDFOOT, coming out of the BIGFOOT 4x4 camp, if you didn't already know. And please pause the video if you would like to see the other trucks in this series. And of course, on the right hand side we have Black Stallion. So let's go ahead and take a look at Black Stallion. It is the 1992 Ford F-250 of Black Stallion, looking very nice in the box. We're going to take this truck out also and check it out of the box. Now, the two that I am not going to take out of the box is the Black Bandit edition of BIGFOOT and the Midwest 4-wheel drive center. So let's go ahead and take a look at the exclusive Greenlight Collectibles BIGFOOT of the four-wheel drive center truck, a 1974 Ford F-250 with camper shell. Looks very cool. Indeed, you can see all of the detailing on the truck. So over here by my thumb, it does say limited edition. Let's go ahead, turn it around on the back of the package. And this is very cool. Look at that, old photos of the 4-wheel drive center with the trucks out front. And there's another picture of I believe that's a picture of BIGFOOT and some other monster trucks that jacked up on the 66-inch tall tires, and looks like a Jeep also. So very cool. There we go, where BIGFOOT first started off, the first garage right there. Very interesting how BIGFOOT just started off real small, and what Bob Chandler created in the world of monster trucks. Now we go on to the Black Bandit Collection limited edition BIGFOOT #1, looking really good in the black. Never thought that I would see a BIGFOOT truck in black in diecast form. I don't know a whole lot about the Black Bandit collection, so this is kind of new. The only way that I wanted to get this, or the only reason why I wanted to get this, was for the BIGFOOT truck, since it's my favorite truck. So there we go, the 1974 Ford F-250 BIGFOOT #1 Black Bandit edition. Looking really good in the package. This is series number 27. Let's go ahead and we're going to take WILDFOOT and Black Stallion out of the package and take a closer look. Here comes WILDFOOT out of the package, and let's take a closer look of the body style, and the graphics design is really nice on these trucks. This one came out pretty good. I like the different colors of the WILDFOOT truck that they put together for this. It really looks authentic. The name of the truck, Firestone, and Trailmaster, the Ford logo, Power Wheels logo. And I can't make the other logo out. It's just too small there. Really like the clip on top of the truck there on the roof. Very nice. There is the front, what it looks like. And WILDFOOT made its debut in 1993 for the Penda Points series. And on the tailgate, very nicely done. It says Bob and Marilyn Chandler, BIGFOOT Racing Team. And then you have a Penda license plate Nothing in the bed of the truck. Let's turn it around to the other side. There we have WILDFOOT. Very nicely detailed truck. Set him there up top of the cars. Here it is, Black Stallion out of the package, really looking good with that old school look of the graphics design. On the back there, I'm not too sure what that says. It's just so small to figure it out. And we get some detail on here with paint. On the back where the tailgate is. Nothing in the trunk or the bed of the truck. On to the other side, coming new out of the package, that bar that they used to put the two tires together. It's bent back there, but I'm gonna put it in a case anyways. So there we have Black Stallion and the other trucks. So there we go with WILDFOOT up there. And then here we go with Black Stallion. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review of these 4 trucks.